Opening up that government data and information, therefore, are key foundations to enabling engagement with citizens by using new technologies to connect the public to government and to one another.
Serikali inaendelea kuhakikisha kuwa Wakenya wanaweza kupata habari kuhusu uongozi kwa urahisi.
By involving citizens in decision making, governments can achieve more efficient and equitable outcomes. It is necessary, therefore, to remove barriers hindering access to information in order for political, social and economic participation to be carried out by informed citizens.
Katibu mkuu wa Wizara ya Ugatuzi na Mipango Mhandisi Peter Mangiti amesema kuwa serikali inawahamasisha Wakenya jinsi inavyotumia takwimu kufanya maamuzi kuhusu maendeleo.
This awareness provides an opportunity to advocate for systematic and increased use of statistics for evidence-based decision making with a view to enhancing the relevance of statistics and mainstreaming statistics into national and county development plans.
Wakenya watakuwa katika nafasi nzuri ya kusaidia serikali kupambana na ufisadi na vile katika usambazaji na utumizi wa fedha.
This provides the foundation to enable citizens to better understand the way their government works, how tax and revenue is spent, and decision-making processes behind allocation of national and county government budgets. Promoting transparency, access to information and accountability, as well as ensuring decision-making processes are more inclusive and representative.
Alisema haya katika sherehe iliyoandaliwa na ofisi ya takwimu za kitaifa katika jumba kuu la mikutano la KICC.
The key aim of a day like today, in which we celebrate Statistics Africa-wide, is to increase awareness about the important role that statistics plays in all aspects of social and economic development, not only in Africa, but in the whole world.
Zamzam Abdi, KTS, Nairobi.